Hello guys, and welcome to a new episode of Unbox News Part 2 for the CES 2020 in Las Vegas. Ching! Alright, so let's begin for this Part 2 about gaming. Of course, there's a lot of products, a wide range of products about gaming. But let's begin with the company Razr, where you can see I have shot this Razr Switch-like mobile gamepad, and it can fit Android and iOS. It's really small and light, where you can open it and you can integrate your phone in between those joysticks, exactly as the PS5, Xbox, any joysticks. But you can put any phone you want. It can be an Apple and it can be an Android phone, any Android. This is very nice. Now you have the Samsung controller, which is like identical that I saw, but it's not that quite amazing as this one, because this was only Android phone. I saw it with the Fold phone, Samsung Fold phone, and it's not quite so amazing as the Razr one. So let's put the Razr on top of this categories. So while I was in Samsung booth for the gaming, I saw the Samsung Odyssey G9 insane 49-inch panel. And it has a 5K display with a 240 Hz display. Quite nice for gaming. So of course, moving from the Samsung Odyssey G9 monitor to the MSI just launched in the CES during the CES 2020, the MSI 1000R curved gaming monitor live looks amazing. Well, you can be the judge between those two monitors. So the 1000R, which is the same as human eyeball, you will be the judge, and you can tell me in the comment down below which one is your favorite, the Samsung or the MSI. Then the next step, just before visiting the MSI booth, I went to Thermaltake. Thermaltake, they know for the power supply and the RAMs. Well, let's start with this amazing RAMs. So you have the Toughram RGB DDR4 memory white edition. This is not only about RGB. This white edition now come in a high frequency of 4400 up to 4266 megahertz, and they do look beautiful. And of course, Thermaltake launches the first CPU and RAM all-in-one liquid cooler. Look at this, it looks so beautiful. This one that you're seeing is a 750 watt Tough Power GF1, and you can get it for 850 watt. Now let's go to MSI. So the MSI CES 20, they got a lot of awards. I have chosen, for example, let's see, this MSI MEG AEGIS Ti5. It is like a beast, it looks like a beast, but it is exactly as it is, a beast, because you can put like a Core i9 up to RTX 2080 Ti up to 128 GB RAM. It's a beast. Yes, it deserves an award. Then we have a second award with the MSI Prestige PS341WU desktop computer. It looks amazing, it is beautiful, clean, professional, and it is a beast, second beast of MSI, because you can put 1 tera PCIe M.2 SSD, and of course an RTX 2080 Super, and it comes with the MSI Prestige PS341WU monitor. It is a 34-inch, it is a 60 Hz and a 5K monitor. Exactly the same color as the desktop. You have the keyboard and the mouse looks quite beautiful. And with other fun stuff, you have this desktop integrated on a table, low table, where you can see all the details with your desktop, cooling system, RGB lights, and the monitor on top of this. Yes. If you like it, I do like it. If you don't, just comment down. And then we move to AMD. AMD, they showcase this PICHAU AMD Ryzen 9 3900X processor, and the second one is called the WELLMADE AMD Ryzen 9 3950X processor. It's really good build and it looks RGBs ready. And of course, all this you need a table and a chair to like be so comfortable to game. So you have this RGB from Thermaltake and other brands, and of course you have this amazing beautiful pinky girly style from Erica brand, and I quite like it. So guys, that's my choice of gaming. I didn't go into all the details because believe me, the CES is big and you have a lot of details. So I choose some of the most amazing part of most of the biggest brands in gaming. So to finish this video guys, I want to talk to you about EARFUN. EARFUN is the best company for audio. Yes, it is. And you know it because you watched my U-Boom unboxing. So they have 2 new products, well, several new news updates. So let's begin with the EARFUN Air. It is a kind of update of the EARFUN 3 because it has 2 new options. The first is when you remove it from your ear, it pauses automatically and then it detects when you put it on and it plays back the music. This is the first one, and then the second option, the second new feature that it has the touch ability to pause or answer your phone calls. That's nice. So we talked about the U-Boom. It has 2 new colors, quite nice. It has the blue color and the red color, and so now you have 3 options: black, red and blue. They look quite amazing. If you want to have 360 audio with nice design, this is what you need. And then finally the best and the most exciting for me is the EARFUN Wave noise cancelling. It is a headphones. When you put it, you can activate the noise cancelling or you can remove it. So the option of turning on and off the noise cancelling is quite nice, because when you don't listen to the ambience for a long time, believe me, when you remove the headphones you will be dizzy. So it's nice to have the option to turn it on and off, right? So thank you EARFUN for inviting me again for the CES. Thank you guys for watching, and see you tomorrow for a new video of CES part 3. Peace.